Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Jason from Facade window machine. Today I want to show you one that's a good machine, like a 4-axis machine center, because it's used for the facade and kitchen wall, aluminum window and doors, and all of this big profile everything. Thank you.
The standard machine length is 7 meters. The customized length is also available. This machine is a double zone work table design. Means you can load 2 profiles at the same time during this milling process. The maximum length of the profile you can load is 500 mm wide and 200 mm height. This is suitable for bigger size profile of aluminum fabrication. Industrial PC control based on Windows 10 environment. Support to remote control, data sharing, and direct program import. Heavy-duty gantry frame structure driven by 2 servo motors on both the left side and the right side. Faster movement, stability. This machine equipped with 5 tools. It's automatic to change. Equipped with 9.5 kilowatts. Italy only speed. Run electric spindle. It's more powerful, more stability, and long life.
Keep following Facade. See you. Peace out.